Nah, I'm not home.
Oh. What are you doing?
I'm still in New Jersey.
Oh.
I'm not home. I don't live in New Jersey.
Oh, that's right, because you're in Ohio. You live in Ohio. Right. Because you were telling us that a guy got shot like 4 houses up, right?
Yeah. Like, straight down there.
It looks like a really nice neighborhood. That's crazy. It looks like a nice neighborhood.
I wouldn't go that far to say that.
You should get in the box, Life. You can get in the box when he's done. Get in the box. I got in the box this morning, right when I was in the bed. Tease it until it turns night.
Nah, this shit fucked up out here. Daytime.
Yeah.
Right now.
That's crazy.
Not at nighttime.
And see, I'm not accustomed to any of that. So my kids would have walked home from different events like 11 o'clock at night. I don't like it. Their dad lets them do it. But I'm just like, the fuck? You let my baby walk? Not that. You let my